My name is Joanne Marie Rumford, and I'm doing this video in my apartment in Port Erie, Michigan. Today is Thursday, February 8th, 2024, and it's a beautiful day out. I got the door open here. It's going on 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and I'll check my Hey Google down Nest Hub and ask it what the temperature is and the humidity. Okay, I'll close the door now. Okay, hey Google, what is the temperature Fahrenheit?
In Port Huron, it's currently 55 degrees Fahrenheit.
55 degrees Fahrenheit, it says. Okay, hey Google, what's the humidity? Hey Google, what's the humidity?
The current humidity in Port Huron is 42%.
42% humidity in Port Huron. Okay, so I'm doing this video because I just put everything back from my living room that I put out from my bedroom, all my stuff and that, excluding the furniture, and put it back yesterday. Finished it yesterday. The landlord in December 2023, there was new carpet put in and linoleum. And here's the carpet, what it looks like, and then linoleum. It's really pretty. It's a brown color carpet. And also, the sliding doors were put in, two of them. One in the furnace room over here. Two sliding doors. Move this away here. Two sliding doors. And it opens like this. And it opens like this. Okay, and then in the bedroom there's two sliding doors. These were put in December 2023 too. Two sliding doors. Now this just came undone. This popped out this afternoon, I should say this afternoon, and it happened again after it was put in, and so the on-site resident manager popped it back in, but I can't do it, so he's coming today for a monthly inspection. That's the sliding. These sliding doors are, the furnace is real easy to open shut, but this is hard. That's probably why the sliding doors is popping out. This sliding door here, it's popped out. Okay, well, I'm in my bedroom. I might as well show you the furniture, or where it is now. Okay, I moved some things around. There's the vacuum cleaner put there, and my dresser. I still have the painting or canvas photograph of my dad, my brother on the left, my dad on the right, taken in, I think it was 1948. I have it on the back of the canvas. Let me take a look at it. Joseph Douglas Rumford Sr., Joseph Douglas Rumford Jr., Doug, for short, and the address, it was taken at our old house in Detroit, 14151 Lauder, Detroit, Michigan, and it was taken April 1946. That's my dad's birthday. I wouldn't be surprised if it was on my dad's birthday, which is, he was born 1915. I wouldn't be surprised if it was taken on his birthday. April 11th. Dad always said it rained on his birthday. This is there. Oops, I can't get it right. Okay, there. Guess that's straight. Okay, so it's February, so there's my calendar. And over here, I have my tall drawers and chest drawers of with a Ipperwash Beach. It's my mom. Taken in the 1950s, Ipperwash Beach in Grand Bend. Grand Bend is where she was pregnant with my sister, Debbie. And that's the bottom right. And the top two is, on the left is she's standing in front of, with her bathing suit on, that Dad took, of the Ipperwash Casino. And then on the right top is a picture of the Ipperwash Hotel. Now, my mom gave this to me when she came back from Ireland in 2004 with my sister and my sister's husband, Dale. And her sister gave me this, and she gave it to Mom to give me. Her sister, Aunt Maureen, who she stayed with, 2004. She had went with me to Ireland in 1980. Okay, and these are some pictures of the 1960s. I think 70s, this one, 70, and this is 7. I think it was 21 in this one. That's my sister. Mom's in the background on the beach. And this is my two nieces, Tara and Victoria, Tori for short. And these were 1960s pictures here of White Cliffs Cottage. Okay, so I've got on this side of the room, that's what it looks like. Stand over here, get a better look of it. Okay, so I take in my kitchen, wheel this back, and this is the kitchen, the new linoleum carpet. 2023 was put in. Mom gave me this. This is a back scratcher. Dad always had a back scratcher. When we were at when they lived at the cottage. My parents are both passed away now, and this is what my mom gave me. Follow your dream. And here's the shelf. There's the kitchen shelf. Here is some photo magnets and that on my refrigerator. Hello. And there's the kitchen sink and the stove. And there's the picture up there I got for volunteering for the bridge walk in 1997. I was in the middle of the bridge helping direct pedestrians crossing the bridge. Go on this side here. Right there. And then I put this plant in here for the kitchen. Used to be in the bedroom. Threw one out that looked the same. It was kind of damaged. The one in the bedroom here, in the corner, I had in the living room. And then it was in the kitchen. Now it's in the bedroom. Okay, so here's what it looks like from both the bedroom and the living room. Bedroom on the left and living room on the right. Like that in it. Hello. Okay, let's see. And there's my garden flag here. Now I put it on the bedroom door because I had it on my living room door there, and I had my Christmas wreath, was the first time I didn't put it on the door outside because the top was showing light, and sometimes the light would show through the crack, like the top and the side on the right. So I decided not to hang anything from the door there anymore. So I hung it over here. I do have a garden flag outside though. Right there. Right there. So beautiful out. Okay, I got 3 printers here in my living room. This one is not a scanner. I thought when I bought it, it had a scanner with it. I had to get this one here. This one is the old one, and it wasn't working for a while there. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it's okay now, so I kept all 3. And there's the top of my, it's a nightstand, but I got it in the living room. And here is I used to have the telephone there on my kitchen shelf, and I put it there now. Got DVD player. What else? And my DVDs. So did I take in my bathroom yet? I don't know if I did or not. No, I didn't. Okay, here's my bathroom. I hang my robe on a hanger because instead of putting it up here in case it puts a hole in the fabric. So here's the bathroom. The bathtub. Hello. And there's the bathroom sink. Now I took the 2 corner shelves here out, and you could see the holes there still after they painted. They painted in February, so the whole apartment complex, not the whole building here, they painted the other apartments, but in my apartment they painted in February, so there's 2 holes remaining after the painting. Another one there, another one there. Now here's my closet, bathroom closet. I keep plastic bags in case I need them. Towels and blankets. And then talking about the holes in the painting, they did the painting, the bedroom, the bathroom, and the kitchen, and the living room. They painted on Saturday, this past Saturday, which was February 3rd, and they painted the bathroom on Tuesday. Okay, so then I forgot to mention about over the printers here, I had my map of the world, 3 panels, map of the world, and I threw them out. Like my bathroom corner shelves, I threw them out too. So there's holes remaining right there, there, one there, one there. You can't see it. You can see it with your eye, but not with this camera far away. I guess that's it. Can't think of anything else other than they've got to patch up those holes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes there, and then there's 4 holes in the bathroom, in the corner. And here's the closet in the hallway. It's like a hallway right there. And I think that's it. Did I cover all the rooms? The bedroom, the bathroom, and the kitchen. Did I get in in the kitchen with a picture? A video? Okay. Okay, so I guess that's it. The carpet, linoleum, and 2 sliding doors were done in December 2023, and the painting was done in February 2024. So now it's going on 2:45 p.m. Eastern Time in Port Huron, Michigan. This is Joanne Marie Rumford. Before I say goodbye, I got a puzzle I got to put back together. I had partially put it together. It's a David McLean, Lake Como, Italy is the picture. A 1,000-piece puzzle. I had part of it done on the top, but it came undone, so I had to put it away until, I'll take it out here. I had to take it apart, or not take it apart, it fell apart because of the moving, the furniture and everything. And I put the pieces I did put I'll put in a bag to put together first, back together, and the rest of the pieces are in there. So I will start working on that again. And I guess that's it. So this is Joanne Marie Rumford. This is videos in my apartment in Port Huron, Michigan, and it's Thursday, February 8th, 2024. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.